So we have a whole team. I work with Matt Russo and Andrew Santaguita, who are both musicians. Matt is an astrophysicist. And we also work with Christine Malik, who is a consultant who is blind as well. And with the science-like story that we're putting together, we're trying to make sure it is as authentic as possible to the data, because it is a mathematical mapping of the data, like using Python into this process. And then you're essentially selecting
the programming language.
Yep, the programming language. And then you're selecting the sounds that will hopefully differentiate the objects the best and also describe the science the best, and in a pacing that lets you process the data at the best pace.